Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is August 30th, Monday. Right now it is 11 o'clock actually, morning. So for this video, I want to quickly show you guys a product that I got from, I guess from China, made in China, and it's just one of these mini portable blender. I can't really describe the size, but wherever you see right here, that's the size. It's pretty small, about length of my forearm, halfway, a little bit 1/3, I guess. It came in many different colors. You have green, purple, orange, different one, but obviously I got the green one. Yeah, and then it's a lithium battery. It's portable, like I say. You just have to charge it, USB charge, up front right here. Well, actually micro SD charge cable. The size itself is on the back, it has an indication. I don't know if you could read it, but it's a 50 ml, 150, 250, and 350. So 350 ml. It has this rubber thing where you could hold on to, just carry around. I'm not really sure what the top does. You could actually open this. Oh, I guess you got the opening right here. You could drink. So you could carry this, walk around, and you could drink. I guess it's good if you are doing like an energy drink or like a protein drink. You want a protein shake, you could just blend this and then carry it around and then just drink out of it. So that's pretty good. What else does it have? I guess it has a quality control. It's a QC Pass 2021 March. So this is built in March 1st of 2021. And it has a good quality control on it. BPA free, so right there it has a label BPA free. All right, well, let's get started. So for today, I'm going to make a shake. Quickly show you guys. So to open it, you can twist the top off, obviously. Let's see, I'm going to throw a ginger in. See how I'm not really sure how strong is the blender, but the whole ginger, so that's a lot of ginger. I got myself the olive, one of these cubicle dessert thing. So I'm gonna cut this and put it in. So you could buy this from Amazon, or you could buy it from wish.com. Wow, this thing smells really good. I don't know if you guys ever had these before, but you could get it from one of these, like an Asian market. Has a really good fragrance to it. Oh wow, this thing's almost full. Well, right now it's pretty much is almost 350 ml. Let's see what else. I'm gonna put some of this chlorophyll in it. It's gonna turn everything into green. Believe me, guys. Just a little bit. Ooh. Yep. Alright, so I guess I'm going to put, you know what? I'm also going to put a avocado in. Just for the taste of it. Oh, you know what? I should have got a spoon. So avocado. I'm just mixing everything in it for no particular reason. With everything that I have, I'm just putting it in. I need a spoon. Okay, so we are definitely going to test out the blender to see how strong this thing is. If you buy it from online, it should only cost you about $20-$30. I'm not sure how much the shipping costs. Might be more. You could also buy this at wish.com, one of these Asian shop that carry a lot of Asian product. So so I'm put down half of the avocado. Let's mix it up. I also have this drink right here, olive. I know this is 100% concentrated, so let's put that in as well. just a little bit, because we are running out of space, guys. And then I'm going to put this in pink cranberry. So it has a passion fruit flavor in it. Yeah. So cranberry with passion fruit, guys. Let's try that. I don't know exactly how the taste will be, but you know what? That's what the experiment is for. Oh my goodness, it's pretty much full. You know, I'm guessing the ginger is probably going to kick really hard with this thing on. So let's close this up. Okay. So one thing I want to quickly mention is that when you get this machine, and if you want to use it, if you try to push it on, it doesn't turn on. One common reason why it doesn't turn on is that it has an indication on the bottom right here where it shows you that this line right here must be aligned with the dot. If this line does not point align with it, yeah, it won't turn on. It has a sensor itself on it. So why won't this thing be aligned? Sometimes when you open the bottom to wash everything, when you close it, you have to close it really tight. Sealed completely tight with this point aligned, then it'll turn it on. Anyway, let's start it. First, the noise test. Okay, it does not turn on. Oh, it did. You guys see it? That's the blending. Let me see if I can spin it. Yeah, you can spin it. Does it leak? No, it doesn't leak, guys. No leak at all. So it's pretty good. I noticed that when you close the top, it has a stopper on itself, so it doesn't leak coming out from the top. So what do you guys think? Pretty small. I like it. It's portable. You could carry it around while this thing is blending. Oh, I guess it has a timer itself. It stopped by itself actually. That blending was probably I don't know, what is it, like 20 seconds? You guys could tell. So I didn't even touch, I didn't even hit stop itself. It just stopped by itself. So I guess it determined that it's ready. And it does look kind of gooey and everything. Let me try to smell it first. See, maybe get a little bit of taste. Ooh. Wow, this thing is completely full. Let me quickly show you guys. It's right on the rim itself, right on the top. Okay. Now let's try to taste my finger. Wow, it's good. Ginger, I definitely taste the ginger, and then obviously the fruits right here. I didn't taste anything cool fast because this thing is tasteless. No taste with this. Yeah, definitely this thing was pretty strong, and then ginger itself. So both ginger and this, I definitely could taste it. Oh yeah, definitely. Well, anyway, that's where the video is going to end. I'm going to drink this right now. I hope you guys like the video, and then I'll see you guys around. And this is pretty much a quick review of this blender. I'm not really sure the name of the blender itself. I'll try looking at the Amazon or Wish. I actually got this as a gift from a friend, but I did see these pictures online before. Definitely on the wish.com. I believe when I saw it, it was roughly about $30-$40 or something like that. I think it's a good price for a small portable blender where you can carry it around and blend stuff while you're at it. And it also has a timer itself, so it's pretty good. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. I'll see you all next time. Bye.